Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Lamborghini Aventador with cardboard. First, let's gather our essential tools and materials. You will need several large sheets of sturdy cardboard, a hot glue gun with plenty of glue sticks, and a sharp utility knife. Also, grab a measuring tape and a cutting mat. Don't forget to print out a scaled template of the Aventador to guide your build. Now, let's begin building the core structure of your cardboard Lamborghini. Carefully cut out the main chassis pieces, including the floor, side walls, and internal supports, following your printed template. Use your hot glue gun to firmly attach these components together. Pay close attention to reinforcing key areas, especially where the body panels will connect, ensuring a strong and stable foundation for your model. With the chassis complete, it's time to bring the iconic Lamborghini shape to life. Begin attaching the larger body panels, such as the hood, roof, and engine cover, carefully bending and shaping the cardboard to achieve those signature curves. Use smaller, precisely cut pieces to create intricate details like the air intakes, headlights, and taillights. This step truly defines your cardboard Aventador's recognizable appearance. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your amazing cardboard Lamborghini Aventador. Smooth out any rough edges or imperfections using small pieces of cardboard or even paper mache for a seamless look. Apply a coat of primer to ensure your paint adheres evenly. Then, paint your model in a vibrant color, adding details like the wheels, windows, and interior accents to complete your stunning, handcrafted supercar.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.